Hello everyone. In this video, we will introduce how to create a new script in each script type. When we click on File and then click New, an Add Script window will pop up. On Add Script windows, there are 5 tabs of script types, which are indicator, condition, strategy, quote, and function. Let's learn about these script types and their settings. Indicator type is a group of technical signs on the chart that traders use to analyze the direction of financial markets. On the Indicator tab, there are settings like name, path, description, data reference, edit mode, and application scope. Name allows users to set the name of the script. Path allows users to set a folder for the script. Description allows users to leave information about the script. Data reference allows users to specify how many records to use. Edit mode allows users to choose write code or low code to edit the script. Write code to manually write the code. Low code to create a script through a graphical interface. Once edit mode is selected during creation, it cannot be modified later. Application scope will decide whether to display in chart or daily. Next, condition type. Condition type is regarded as a filtering function to find any productions that are fit to any preferable strategies. On this tab, there is one different setting from the indicator, which is long or short type. Long or short type allows users to set the script type to neutral. Long or short. Strategy type. Strategy types can be programmed with logical conditions and corresponding actions to perform fully automated trading. On this tab, settings can refer to the indicator setting. Quote type. Quote type. Users can customize the information to be displayed on My List. On this tab, there is one different setting from the indicator, which is return type. Return type allows users to specify the return type for the script. It can be value, bool, or text. Function type. Function type can be used to encapsulate complex code into a simple program and let other programs call it. On this tab, settings can refer to the quote type. Now, to create a script or folder, you can click on the buttons right next to your account name, which are Add Script and Add Folder. Add Script button allows user to add a script of the corresponding type. Another way to add a script is through the menu where is located on top of the screen. Click on File, then New, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+N. Add Folder button allows users to add a folder for the corresponding script type, to conveniently categorize scripts. Now, let's try to categorize a script into a folder. Click on the Add Folder button and input the name for the folder. Then click OK. Create a script by click on the Add Script button and input the name for the script. Click on the folder icon to show the list of available folder. Then double-click on the folder that you want to put the script in. Then click OK. Now click on the folder, and you will see your newly added script inside the folder. In addition, when you copy a system script or change the script setting, you also can place your script into a folder by changing the path. On the right side of the script there are Set Lock, Copy, Delete, and Change Setting button. We will introduce these functions one by one. Set Lock. Click on this button to lock the script. Then a pop-up window will appear for users to enter a password for the script. If not set, just click OK or Cancel. It will be locked directly. Click on Unlock button to unlock the script without a password. User can also set password to the script by click on File. Then click on Change Verification Code. Then a pop-up window will appear allowing users to set a password for the script. Then click OK. Please note that locking only prevents others from viewing the source code. The script can still be run on the chart. Copy allows users to save all content of the selected script to a new script with a new name. When pressing on the copy button, a pop-up window will appear. By default, the word copy will be added to the name. We can modify it to the desired name according to our needs. Then click OK. The original code will be copied into the new script. So, you can modify and add a new script this way. Delete allows users to delete the selected script. When you press the delete button, a prompt window will pop up. Click OK to delete the script. Change settings allows users to set the content of the script. There will be different tabs in this window depending on the script type, but the tabs are mostly the same. Let's look at the contents in order. The first tab will show the name of script type. On this tab, we can change name, path, description, data reference, and application scope. As these settings have been explained previously, let's move on to the second tab, parameter. Parameter allow user to define external variables for the script. Parameters variables are user configurable settings that will affect how the script behaves or is calculated during runtime. Third tab, drawing style. Drawing style allows you to control the drawing content of each segment. After writing and compiling the related drawing function, the setting list will have related information. Title used to show the label shown in the indicator's title area on the chart. Chart has checkbox for users to toggles whether this plot is displayed or not on the chart. Markers allow users to show or hide markers on each bar like dots, arrows, or custom symbols. Set type allow users to determine drawing type of the plot will be displayed in line, bar, and dot. Set style allow user to set the line style. It can be solid, dashed, dotted, etc. Set color allow user to change color of the plot line. The fourth tab, coordinate. There are 3 sections on this tab. The first section, coordinate range. Coordinate range allows users to set the coordinate information displayed by the script. Independent axis will use its custom scale, separate from other axes. Primary axis will use the main axis as the reference point for displaying coordinates. Secondary axis will add another axis next to the primary one to show extra data, which is useful for comparing 2 indicators. The second section, coordinate settings. Coordinate settings control the calculation method of the displayed reference point. Auto will automatically determine and adjust the reference point based on the data range. Symmetrical will balance the reference point evenly between the highest and lowest values. Upper or lower limits will fix the reference point to a specific upper, so the range is confined within those limits. The third section, format. Format used to determine how values are displayed. For more details, we can refer to the numeric format tab. Generally, you can simply select full or by symbol for automatic settings. The last tab, numeric format. Numeric format will format how values are displayed. You can choose between full, digits, percentage, or by symbols. Full will display the full value with all digits. Digits will let you specify how many decimal places to display. Percentage will display the value as a percentage. By symbols will display values specific to the selected trading symbol. Thank you for watching this video patiently. In the next video we will introduce how to write a script.